Hello everybody. First of all, thank you for listening to my short presentation video. In this research, our focus is on studying new and emerging software development methodologies. Particularly, our focus is on incremental development and release strategies, where fine-grained software functionality flows to end users on a continuous basis. These are scenarios where small increments to technology, features, or functionality need to be frequently released to the end users. And the end users presumably derive value from these released functionalities. However, an important consideration in such an approach is that sometimes the parts of these systems that are developed might be released prematurely and actually might come with defects. So this quality functionality trade-off is at the heart of such an approach. Examples of applications of such a development strategy include software as a service or IBM Liquid, and these are applications where small functionalities and increments to the software have to be frequently released to the end users on a continuous basis. Our goal is to develop an incremental development and release policy for software systems. Here, a release strategy is a dynamic policy that determines when and how many modules or functionalities should be released to the end users at any point in time, if any. And a development strategy refers to effort allocation. That is, how much effort should be allocated towards new development versus quality improvement of the existing system at any point in time. To answer the above research questions, we develop a model using optimal control theory. To conclude, we are able to develop an optimal policy for development as well as release for software systems. What we find is that for less complex systems, a continuous release policy might be preferred. What this means is that you can have a development strategy which achieves the balance between new development as well as quality improvement in such a way that actually firms can prefer a continuous release policy to the end users at any point in time. However, for larger and more complex systems, we find that an intermittent release policy is what is preferred. This is a policy where release and no release periods might alternate with each other. A no release period is a period where focus is on only quality improvement and new development and no new releases are made. And a release period is where there might be quality improvement, new development as well as continuous release at the same time. Thank you for listening. See you at Informs.